Hi everyone, hi. So we're getting to the end of the year and I just thought to share with you few little things that I feel that businesses actually learned the hard way from the course of the year, and things that I feel that you can also benefit from, right? It's not that business owners were not trying. A lot of business owners put in effort, but you know how those little foxes spoil the vine? That was what really happened, and it really affected business operations. So let me start with number one, the gentleman's agreement. I had up to 3 clients who were trying to navigate their way from a bad business relationship, which could have been avoided simply because the contract was not, put in place. There was no formal contract for it. People who had agreed to do something ended up not going ahead with their decisions, or just not following what was agreed on because there was nothing formally agreed on. Secondly is the issue of trademark. I don't know if you remember the issue of Fastest Cakes, Lagos versus Ibadan. Fastest Cakes, I was already registered in Lagos, and then somebody went ahead to register in Ibadan and even zapped by Paystack, and another company coming up to say that their company had been registered with that name, and then just taught us that trademark is really important. So if you think you have registered a name, you still need to trademark it to ensure that it's actually yours, right? And then also trademark it in the right class. Thirdly is the issue of data protection. So there were lots of business owners who were processing information of over 200 data subjects but were not registered with the Nigerian Data Protection Commission, did not have a DPO appointed, were really not in line with the Nigerian data protection laws, and the regulators came hard on them, published their names in the newspapers, brought out different penalties, and a lot of business owners suffered for it, right? So really the lesson here is that 2026 would also not be smiling at you, especially if you are processing information of over 200 data subjects. Finally, for me, is issues around corporate governance, accountability, and transparency, right? So we actually learned that the leaders of organizations are not immune. For example, look at Ezra's story with Paystack, or even that organization where the CEO and then a fellow HR leader were at Coldplay's concerts, both married individuals. Really accountability starts from the top. Values, culture starts from the top, and also important that your footprint online should be checked, and watch out for it as well. Any other things that you think I had missed out, let me know in the comment section, and let's all share and let's all learn together.